now, while you're building your entire business on one platform, smart creators are quietly building empires across 7 platforms simultaneously, and they're earning consistent income from every single one. Think about this for a second. What happens to the YouTuber when YouTube changes its algorithm? What happens to the TikToker when TikTok gets banned? What happens to the Instagram influencer when they get shadow banned? They lose everything overnight. But what happens to the creator who's generating income from YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and Twitter and LinkedIn and Pinterest and Facebook? They shrug and keep earning. When one platform stumbles, 6 others keep paying them. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Let me show you what multi-platform mastery actually looks like. Daily Dose of Internet makes $400,000 monthly across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Twitter. Same content, 4 paychecks. Brightside generates $1.7 million yearly across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. One piece of content, 4 revenue streams. Kurzgesagt, banking, $2.3 million annually across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and multiple language channels. Educational content that works everywhere. But here's the part that changes everything. None of these creators ever show their faces. While everyone else is stressed about their appearance and building businesses that depend entirely on their personality, these invisible entrepreneurs discovered the ultimate combination: multi-platform distribution plus faceless content equals bulletproof empires. My name is Neil Napier, and along with my business partner Chris Munch, we've generated over $50 million behind the scenes across multiple businesses and platforms. For the past year, we've been documenting a quiet revolution happening in content creation. Smart creators are choosing anonymity and diversification over exposure and dependency. And what we discovered will shock you. Every single successful multi-platform faceless creator follows the exact same blueprint. Defuk Bu never shows his face, makes $500,000 to $1.3 million per month across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Lofi Girl, completely anonymous, generates $1 to $2 million yearly across YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, and TikTok. What connects them all? They chose invisibility over exposure and diversification over dependency. They built empires that platform changes can't touch. But here's where it gets really interesting. While these faceless creators are building million-dollar empires, most content creators are living in constant fear. Every night they lay awake with the same terrifying thoughts. What if my main platform bans my channel? What if the algorithm stops showing my videos? What if everything I built just disappears? It's not just about money, it's their dream slowly dying. Because when you build everything on one platform, you're not building a business, you're building a house of cards. One wrong move from the platform and everything collapses. But what if there was a way to become completely platform independent? What if you could build authority and income without ever showing your face or depending on any single platform? Here's what really keeps single platform creators up at night. They know they're vulnerable. They can feel their business hanging by a thread, but they don't know how to escape. That's exactly where the Faceless Social revolution comes in. The Faceless Social Challenge is a 3-day live training where I'll walk you through the exact system we use to generate consistent income across every major platform without ever showing our faces. This isn't another theoretical course where you're left to figure things out alone. This is a step-by-step implementation program where you'll actually build your multi-platform empire during the challenge. Here's exactly what you'll discover during our 3 days together. Day 1 is all about viral ideas and niche mastery. I'll reveal the secret viral content research methods that million-dollar faceless channels use to dominate their markets. You'll learn how to identify high-demand, low-competition niches with massive monetization potential. Plus, I'll share platform-specific optimization secrets that maximize your reach everywhere. Day 2 focuses on video creation and automation. This is where the magic happens. I'll show you AI-powered systems that create professional content while you sleep. You'll discover the batch processing method that creates 30 days of content in just 2 hours, and I'll teach you cross-platform adaptation techniques that the gurus don't teach. Day 3 is about social media posting and automation. You'll master distribution strategies that multiply your reach by 7x across all platforms. I'll reveal the 500+ service arbitrage goldmine that's hiding in plain sight, and you'll learn how to build agency systems for unlimited client acquisition. Plus, when you join the challenge today, you'll also receive these valuable bonuses: First, you get 24-hour replay access worth $297, so you'll never miss a breakthrough moment. Then there's access to our private Facebook community, also worth $297, where you can connect with successful multi-platform creators. You'll receive Cliff Note summaries worth $197 that give you quick reference guides for instant action. Plus, there's a private Q&A session worth $197, where you can get your burning questions answered live. And finally, your partner seat is included absolutely free, worth $997. So you can bring your spouse or business partner to learn alongside you. All of these bonuses alone are worth $1,485, but they're yours free when you join today. Now you might be wondering what a breakthrough training like this would cost. Given the results this system is generating, we could easily charge $997 or more. In fact, building a custom multi-platform system from scratch would cost you $50,000 plus and take 12 plus months of trial and error. But we've made it our mission to get this into the hands of smart creators before the window closes. For this special launch, you can secure your spot for just $27. Yes, you heard that correctly. Just $27 gets you access to the complete 3-day live challenge plus $1,485 in bonuses. But I have to warn you, this special pricing won't last long, and spaces are strictly limited. The challenge starts September 9th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and we won't be recording for the general public. Only challenge participants will have access. This is truly a be there or miss out opportunity. Here's the truth about timing. Multi-platform faceless content is where YouTube was in 2005, where Instagram was in 2011, where TikTok was in 2019. The early adopters always win big, but this window won't stay open forever. Every day you wait, more creators discover these strategies. The competition increases. It gets harder to dominate. Picture yourself 90 days from now, you're generating income from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Facebook all simultaneously. You sleep peacefully knowing that no single platform change can destroy your business. You have complete privacy, total security, and unlimited growth potential. But here's what I really think is going to happen. I think you're going to create your first piece of faceless content within 24 hours. I think you're going to post it across multiple platforms this week, and I think you're going to see results that make you wonder why you ever worried about showing your face. Look, the real question is this: 6 months from now, do you want to be the creator who captured the multi-platform wave early, or the one still panicking about algorithm changes? The choice is yours, but choose quickly. Because in the content creation revolution, there are only two types of people: the early movers who build platform-independent empires, and everyone else who watches their single-platform businesses crumble. Don't be the person who sees other creators making $10,000 plus monthly across multiple platforms and thinks, I should have joined when it was just $27. And just to make this a complete no-brainer, try the Faceless Social Challenge completely risk-free for 14 full days. Implement the strategies. Build your multi-platform presence. See the results for yourself. If you don't absolutely love the transformation in your content business, just email us and you'll get every penny back. No forms, no hassle. You keep all the bonuses. You keep any income you generated. And we part ways as friends. I can't be more fair than that. And listen, the window is closing. The multi-platform revolution is here. Your only choice is, will you lead it or watch from the sidelines? Click the button below and secure your spot in the Faceless Social Challenge before someone else in your niche does. Your future platform independent self will thank you for it. I'll see you on the inside.